Look at this, man. It's beautiful out here, man. Like, it don't get more beautiful than this, man. Like, just the nature, man. Getting into himself. Understanding what God offered us and what he continues to offer us. Like, the earth provides us with everything that we need, but man's greed is always gonna supersede what our wants is. Because as men and as people, we become naturally greedy, and you know what I'm saying? That's something that's a natural trait. You're gonna want more. You're gonna get something, you're gonna want more. That's a natural trait. But understand that we can't have more.